Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a big warning video for anybody that wants to download open source software. There has been in the past few weeks and months a rise on fake websites that pretend they are the official site to download open source software. Not only that, there's been ads paid on Google Ads to actually show up first as a official site when it is not. So what I'm going to do is maybe first of all, if you have a favorite open source software that you'd like to have the exact website for download, maybe you can ask in the comments if you want. I will be talking about some open source software in the next few videos that are actually very useful and that could be something that you want to use depending on what you do. And what I'll do is I will actually share the real website for downloading that open source software. I'm going to show you an example here of an ad that shows up. This is an ad that showed up for Google Ads, and look at where it says you can download Rufus. And here you have Rufus.download.tabletea34. It looks weird. This one looks more professional, but this Rufus.pro, notice 2F at Rufus. So there's all sorts of these weird, quirky ways of having these URLs that bring you to a site that looks like it's an original site, but in reality, it's a fake site. And if you download and install from there, you're going to actually get malware on your PC. So be extremely careful before you download anything. OBS Studio, Rufus, LibreOffice, anything that is an open source software that might be something you use. It's extremely important to download VLC. VLC was one also that I saw the fake websites show up. It is extremely important to stay safe. And please share this information because there's a lot of these websites around and it's really a big problem. So if you want to download one of those open source software, make sure that you actually use the proper website. I've even seen some Linux distros that are actually distros that are fake websites that pretend that you're getting a distro, but in reality you're getting some malware. It's crazy, and this is on the rise because they know that people are searching for their favorite software through Google, for example, and now there's tons of these little things that are popping up. I hope Google cleans up all of that because it's really a huge problem right now. So be very careful where you download the software you use because it, even real software, even software that isn't, open source, downloading Office, downloading Windows from Microsoft, downloading Adobe products, and so on. Even those are affected by tons and tons of fake websites. You got to make sure and be prepared to verify, more than once to make sure that you're at the proper site for the download that you're actually getting. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.